Assalamualaikum, welcome to Danish's kitchen, and today we will be making mutton karahi in the clay pot. इसको हम कहते हैं उर्दू में मिट्टी की हांडी. This is a traditional village style clay pot. A lot of village people use the clay pot and they cook their food in there. So I thought, why not share this experience with you guys? And this is my first experience myself. And let's crack on with the cooking and let's find out what ingredients are required to make a nice mutton karahi. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to put the mutton in there. And now we're going to add the onions. So 2 medium-sized onions in there. So now we're going to add the 2 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes in there. On top, we're going to add the green chilies, 2 to 3 green chilies. We're going to add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon Handi, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. I'm gonna add the garlic and ginger cube. And now I'm gonna add the water in there. 2 cup water. Now we're gonna give it a good mix. So now we're going to boil the mutton up, and once the mutton's half cooked, the colors change, we can take it out and put all of it into the clay pot, which I've shown you early on. So as you can see, the mutton is boiled, 70% cooked. So now we can shift all this in the pot. So we're going to add ghee in there. So all the mutton needs to go in that clay pot. So all the mutton's in the pot now. So now let's add the masala in there. 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. I also want to add 2 whole red chilies, half a teaspoon garam masala. We'll give it a good mix. So now we're going to let it cook until the mutton gets really tender, the meat gets really tender. Put the lid on top of it. So now I'm going to add yogurt in there. 2 tablespoon yogurt. And we're going to give it a good mix. So it looks like the mutton's nice and tender now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add, there's a little bit of chili left, which I'm going to add on top of it. Going to add the dhania, fresh coriander on top of it. And I've got mixed nuts in there. It's got almond and it's got the hazelnuts and a little bit of raisins as well. Going to give it a good mix. So alhamdulillah, our mutton karahi, it's all ready.